Hello Holistretch fam, this is Frances Eve. Today I'm showing you a video on how to release calf tension and tightness using a foam roller or a ball. You can use both. I use certain ones for different positions, so you'll see how I work these tools into my calves. But if you only have a foam roller, no worries, go ahead and grab it. If you only have a ball, same thing. If you have both, go ahead and grab both. Okay, we are about to get started. We are going to work on the gastrocnemius and the soleus. The calf is a pretty simple area to foam roll. There's really not a whole lot to do. We're going to work the inside, the outside, and right in the middle. All right, so go ahead and grab your tools. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so already. That helps me and everyone else. And let's get started. Hello, welcome back. We are going to start by rolling out the gastrocnemius on the lateral edge. As you can see from the picture of the gastrocnemius, there is a medial edge and a lateral edge. So we're going to focus on the lateral right now with the foam roller. I'm going to show you both the foam roller and the ball. So if you have both, then start with the foam roller. We're going to start with the ankle. So position your leg and angle it so you can feel the bulk of the weight on the lateral edge of the leg. You're going to go ahead and allow pressure to rest onto that foam roller, and do not roll until you feel pressure. You feel tension, tightness. You feel a sore spot. And when you do feel this, go ahead and melt that muscle into the foam roller by just surrendering and surrendering. If you don't feel a whole lot and you need some extra oomph, then bring the opposite leg on top of your leg. So now you have the pressure of two legs on top of the other leg. If this still isn't enough pressure, you can always use your arms to lift your hips up. However, this should be good enough for most people. In fact, you can always back off if it's too much. For each of these stretches, I will do about 30 seconds to a minute. So if you feel that you need longer time, feel free to pause the video or just come back. Next, we'll go ahead and work the ball into the soleus. So the soleus is the muscle right around the Achilles tendon on the lateral medial edge. So now we're working the lateral soleus. And when we do this, it's a little bit harder to access. So really play around with the angle of your leg. And then again, for more pressure, you can always bring the opposite leg right on top. And once you feel relief in that area, you can roll the ball up towards the knee. Try to avoid the popliteus. Try to just allow the ball to be worked into the calf. We'll go ahead and work the inside now, so the medial edge. So we're going to go ahead and take the ball to the medial edge of the soleus, and then along the edge of the gastrocnemius by bringing this ball to the inside of the leg. So go ahead and find that angle. You may have to sort of lay on your side to get this angle. Feel around and play around with flexing the foot and pointing the foot. You'll get different dynamic of the muscle. And always remember to breathe. Very good. The last stretch we're going to do for this calf is bringing the ball to the inside of the knee, and then go ahead and grasp onto the shin and pull in towards the body. This is a really, really nice release for the calf, especially if you've been standing a long time or walking or playing a sport. Just the pressure of the ball on the calf can be really, really nice. Bringing the foam roller to the lateral edge of the gastric on the left leg. Go ahead and find that angle now. This is generally an angle where a lot of people feel tension and tightness, at least I do for sure. So in this angle, I will definitely hold for much longer than I may do other angles. And if I'm not really feeling super tight that day, I will go ahead and stack my legs and apply more pressure. Slowly working the way up towards the knee, remembering to breathe and relax, continuing to surrender, letting go. Very good. Now taking that ball, we'll go ahead and bring it to the edge of the soleus on the lateral side. So the ball just gets a bit deeper into the muscle. So as the gastrocnemius is fatty, it's like the belly of your calf. Sometimes it's hard to get super deep in there. So the ball will just help you get deeper, as of course it's a smaller surface area. Don't roll until you feel a release of the pain. If it's very painful or very tender, then just simply melt. And if you don't feel super tender, well, you can always go ahead and stack those legs, allowing extra weight, and continue to surrender the muscle into the ball. Very nice. We'll go ahead and work the medial edge now. So bringing that ball into the medial edge of the soleus, rubbing onto the edge of the gastroc. We really got to open the lateral edge and now the inside, finding that angle, and you can play with flexing the foot or pointing the foot. You can even try stretching forward, stretching out the calf, a little bit into the hamstring. And lastly, we'll go ahead and take that ball and bring it underneath the knee, grasping onto the shin and relaxing all the other muscles, squeezing in, surrendering the calf. And there's our class. Thank you so much for joining me in how to foam roll your calves. Hope you feel so relieved and a lot better. It takes practice as well. If you feel super sore, then continue to practice this video. I'll see you in the next one. Feel free.